Hello, my name is Love Oladile, popularly called the Queen of Internet Business. So what we want to achieve today is I want to show you how to fund your account, how to fund your RoyalQ account. So you need to open your app. Remember, I told you in the second and first phase, we have already downloaded the app. So you click on your app, then you go to Mine, click on Mine. So this mine shows you, this is mine, it shows you the balance you have in your USDT. So for you who is just starting, you're going to have 0 in your USDT. So you want to click on asset, you click on asset. So when you click on asset, you want to click on deposit because you want to deposit money into this account. So you click on deposit, then the address is coming on and you can see it's in TRC20. So we have ours in TRC20. That's the smart contract form. So you copy the address down, go to your Binance, you go to Binance. So in your Binance, you click on wallet. From wallet, you click on spot. So from your Binance, you click on wallet. From wallet, you click on spot. So when you click on spot, what you want to do here, you want to withdraw because this is you're withdrawing to another account. So you click on withdraw. Before you click on withdraw, I will choose it. You choose the coin, so you choose the coin you want to withdraw from. So when you have chosen the coin, you click on withdraw. So we want to withdraw from our USDT. So I put the address I want to withdraw to. So put the address there. That's the address you want to withdraw to. So you put that address there. So you put the address you want to withdraw to, then you put the amount you want to withdraw. So I always advise people to put in 120 because there's a gas fee. Now when you put in 120, when you want to activate, you activate with 100. They activate your account with $100. The $20 is where they will be taking your profit from. So the way this company works, so all you need to do is click on withdraw and follow the process through. Okay. Now the way this company works, they take $20 when you make profit and you get to keep $80. And for me, I was excited when I heard about it. So because it means that when I don't make profit, they don't make money. So they have done the app so well to be able to make profit for us. So that's when you click on this withdraw. After about 10 minutes, thereabout, you go back to your RoyalQ app and see that your money is there. So once you have your money there, you want to click on where I have a new here. You'll be clicking on activate. Okay, you'll be clicking on activate because that's the first thing. So once you click activate, you have $20. It's from that your $20 they'll be paying your money. So also you want to fund, you can use maybe Remitano or local Bitcoin to fund or you can even buy it. For instance, let me quickly show you on Binance, you can actually use P2P. A lot of people are asking me, how do I fund my Binance? How do I get the money in my Binance? So in Binance, there's something we call P2P. So all you need to do is, okay, when you come to wallet, because you want to fund your account, you click on P2P. So P2P is a place where you buy and sell. It's just like we call it exchange, people to people. So what to do basically is now you want to buy USDT. So you click on buy and click on USDT. What you want to buy is USDT. So you click on buy. Then in buy, click on buy. In buy, you read what they have said to us. So you click on I have read the content. You need to read that, okay? Just warning us on what to do. So once you click on when you buy, make sure that you get when you have paid, click I have paid immediately, and your Bitcoin will be your USDT will be released to you. So once you've done that, what you want to do is you want to buy USDT. So they're showing you the people that are selling, how much you want to buy and all that. So if you choose any of them, so this person is selling at 508, this person is selling at 508 as well. So a lot of them are selling at 508. So click on buy. So you put how you want to make payment, how you want to transfer. So you follow the process through. It's so easy, actually, very easy. So you follow the process through. Once you are finished making payment, make sure you come back to click on I have paid. There's a place where you see I have paid. So you click on that and the process begin. They will release your USDT for you. So it's very easy to make purchase. You can do transfer on your phone. You can do you can use your USSD. So it's so easy actually to make payment for your coin using Binance. It's called P2P. So that's how it is. Work with it. So thank you. That's how it is. So I'm going to be showing you in the next video how to set your trade. Okay, so we'll see in the next video.